If you've ever wanted to sound like Darth Vader using ElevenLabs, this tutorial will show you exactly how to do it step by step. We're going to create a deep cinematic villain style voice, name it properly, save it, and then use it inside text-to-speech so you can generate that dramatic, iconic delivery. And if this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AI tutorials just like this. Alright, let's start by opening ElevenLabs and signing into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Voices. This is where you can manage existing voices or create a brand new one from scratch. Now click the option to create a new voice. ElevenLabs will usually give you a prompt box where you can describe the voice you want. This part is important because the quality of your result depends a lot on how clearly you describe the style. For a Darth Vader type voice, you want to use prompt phrases that suggest a dark, powerful, cinematic, and intimidating tone. A good example would be dark, cinematic villain voice with low pitch. You can also add details like deep, resonant, slow, and commanding if you want to push the result even further. After entering your voice prompt, generate the voice and let ElevenLabs build it. Take a moment to listen carefully to the preview. If it sounds close to what you want, click Select Voice. That tells ElevenLabs that this is the voice you want to keep and use for future generation. Next, you'll need to organize the voice properly. Enter the name as Darth Vader so it's easy to identify later. Then fill in the label, value, and description fields as needed. This helps keep your voice library neat, especially if you plan on creating multiple character voices. In the description, you can add notes like deep villain tone, cinematic delivery, or robotic dark presence so you remember what this voice is for. Once everything looks good, save the voice. Now that the voice is created, go over to the text-to-speech section. This is where the fun part happens. On the right side, click the voice drop-down and select the Darth Vader voice you just made. Double check that the correct voice is active before moving on. Before you generate audio, you can fine-tune the delivery using the stability and style exaggeration sliders. Stability helps control how consistent and steady the voice sounds, while style exaggeration can make the performance more dramatic and expressive. If you want a steadier, more controlled Darth Vader style delivery, adjust these sliders until the voice sounds powerful but not overly exaggerated. It may take a few tries to find the sweet spot, so don't be afraid to test different settings. Once your voice settings are ready, type in the text you want Darth Vader to say. Keep your script simple at first so you can hear how the voice performs. Then click Generate, and ElevenLabs will create the audio for you. Listen to the result, and if needed, go back and adjust the prompt or slider settings until you get the exact sound you want. And that's it. Now you know how to sound like Darth Vader using ElevenLabs. With the right voice prompt, the correct voice settings, and a little testing, you can create a deep, dramatic, villain-style voice for your own projects. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more AI voice tips, tutorials, and creative workflows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.